Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. You can see this is an older model Pavoni as it has the dual on-off switch. So let's go ahead and make a shot. Focusing too much on my lever skills and not enough where the camera was. But you can see we're getting really good crema here. It's almost all crema. Look at that, it's beautiful. Here we have the steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.